Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So what we got here is extinct breed of Nitro RC cars. This is the LOSI 8. Problem is with Nitro stuff right now that nobody make any more motors, nobody make any more combustion fuel vehicles, and it's kind of annoying because those are really good fast vehicle. Now the LOSI 8 is a competition vehicle. Out of the box, you can go and run it and actually take it to the truck and then compete with it, but it's not really out of the box. You have to break in your engine first, and there's a break-in procedure that I'm going to link a video and show you how to do that. It's very important, and then you can actually go and run it. Now when you get this buggy, it's really cool because it's a very high quality. LOSI designed it actually to go and compete, not to just go and mess around your block with it. But it's also, if you want to do that, it's open to do that as well. Now let's remove the body and show what there is underneath. Now when you remove the body, they usually like to get stuck over here, so you have to move your pull start and remove the body out. There is two clips that are already pulled out. Now on the Nitro engine, what you got here is your 21 Nitro engine that is pretty strong. It's come with its own like small muffler tune pipe style, and then of course you have your small fuel tank that each time you fill it up, make sure it's clean, make sure it's locked all the way so it's not going to open on the racetrack, and then you're going to have kind of dirt going in inside. It will affect your motor dramatically. Very simple system. Now to start motor, if you're new to it, I have a couple of videos that explain, but I'm going to show you something trick that you never break your pull start. This is your pull start. Most people pull it and think that it's a lawnmower and breaking it. So what you do, you'll pull it up gently and you bring it like this. You open your arm and fit it this way, and that's it. This is how far you go. Then you're going to hold the car down, pull a couple pulls, of course, after you put your igniter, and it will start. Now, this is really quick how to do that. I have tutorial how to do that, and you're going to go and watch them. Now let's look around this vehicle and see other things. So you got here your waterproof box for your receiver, so you can run it in water, nothing will happen. This is of course your air filter for the motor, and over here you have to open this little box right there, and you're gonna have to put inside 4AA batteries. Very important, brand new batteries. So you're gonna get more range. You have here your system, your steering servo, and your throttle. So when you move the throttle in one direction, it's open the throttle, but the other direction, it's pulling here your brake system that involved with a there's a disc brake over there that will slow down and stop the car. So it's very important to know. Now also the shocks on those front and back are coilover shocks. You can adjust them and set them up to exactly whatever you want it to work for you. Of course, you can play with the shock, put stronger one, stronger spring on it. You can change it to a complete aluminum one. There's a lot of different variation of what you can do with it. The LOSI cars actually are very high quality. So for quality, you have to pay, and those are about $500 or so, give and take. Again, depend where you're buying it. You're going to need to buy fuel. You're going to have to buy startup toolkit with everything. But that being said, this is something that disappearing from the world. So if you want to get one, I will highly recommend to get them as fast as possible, because it's going to be very hard to find them later. Now they do have electric version of it, so most part here will move to electric, but the problem is here is in the power system. I hope this video helped a little bit to some people to decide if they want to get into Nitro or not. I highly recommend to try it. It's with Nitro, you just put more fuel and you go, versus battery that you have to actually keep waiting for charging. Even if you have a couple batteries, you cannot really use battery one after another. Like the brushless motor, kind of temperamental. If you do that, they're gonna actually overheat and stop working. Here you can just, it's running when, as long as the head is cooling down with air, it will be just fine. So you can just fuel it up, go fuel it up and go. See you on my next video. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage, motor style hobby shop. We are located, if you don't know where we are in the new shop right now, 17555 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, California. zip code 91344. We have those in stock right now. Come and see us and we can explain to you how to turn them on and everything. Highly recommend this vehicle. If you have any question, you can put it actually below and I will do my best to answer. And again, nitro engines start to disappear from the world. And if you want to try it, if you always wanted to do it, now is the time to do it. I know Red Cat Racing don't have any more nitro engine in their cars. A lot of other small brand, all the small cheap cars are already gone. You cannot find anything. And usually if you're looking for a used one is other people's problem, so I will stay away from those. See you on my next video. This is Eric, RC Monster Garage. Like, subscribe, share. See you in my next video.